guys. Are you doing okay with all the noise? Zuzu, come here, buddy. Oh, they've been hiding under the bed all morning because, you know, the plumbers are here making all that noise and it's freaking them out. So decided to come sit in here with them for a few minutes. And as soon as I came in and after a few minutes of coaxing him, oh look, he came in, said hi to me. They finally, I can't talk. They finally both came out from underneath the bed and sat with me, and now they're kind of roaming around the room, and you know, I think they know it's okay. Poor kitties, they're scared of all the noise. It'll be over by tonight, I promise. Hi guys. Now they're just staring at the door like, what's going on out there? I'm sure they'll both explore the office when they leave. They'll wander around and smell the different smells and all that. So you guys want to hear something stupid? So the plumbers are still working on our office right now, and they just left to go get some lunch. And one of the guys turned the water back on, and here's our lovely construction site. And it's just like a mess everywhere. All their stuff, and our closet doors are off, so that's cool. Hi. But yeah, so they they turned the water back on. And one of the guys went to go test the water in the front bathroom and then in our bathroom in our bedroom. And he tests the water in our bedroom and he comes out and he goes, is the water pressure always that low in your bathroom? And I was like, what? So I go in there and he turns our shower on and it looks normal to me, but he's like, this is really low. And I was like, oh crap, does that mean that there's more of a problem? Because the reason we even noticed this one in the first place is when we first moved into this place, the water pressure in our front bathroom was super low, like really, really low. You know, and back there in our bedroom, I mean, it's not like fantastic, but I've never noticed that it was low per se. And he's like, yeah, the water pressure in the shower is really low. And I was like, oh, great. That means there's another leak somewhere else, right? And he goes, yeah, but tearing up those pipes in our bedroom bathroom would be a huge project involving like taking out walls and stuff. He's like, yeah, that would be really complicated and really hard to do, like while you guys are living here. And he said, there's nothing like leaking, or, you know, how this one reason we discovered it was something was actually dripping from the wall. He's like, there's nothing leaking or nothing that we need to fix like right now. So really don't worry about it for now. But now I'm like, crap, this could be a potential issue at some point. So that's fun.
Hey, Bubba Zeus. Hi, Andy.
Hello.
Hey, everybody. I'm home, and I just washed my hair, and I need a haircut severely, because my hair is really long, and it may not look that long, but if I get my hair wet, or if I pull on my hair, it's a good length. It's longer than I usually like it, but it has like this spring to it where it just soaks down and stays down. But it's harder to do my hair in the mornings and it takes too long. It's just hair. It doesn't need to take this long. I'm going to cut it off.
Hello.
So where are we?
In-N-Out drive-thru.
How come?
'Cause yum.
Oh snap. In-N-Out. In-N-Out. In-N-Out burgers.
Excuse me, sir, but you flung a piece of food off of your plate. What's that about? Huh? Jeez, he's taking a big bite over there. Hi, kitty. Athena, did you finish all your food faster than he did? You kind of took over. He's like, hey, move. Look at him pushing her out of the way. You guys are so funny.
What's up, everybody? So I just did a really, really long gameplay on Destiny to my first PS4 gameplay. And I think it came out okay. It's Destiny's a pretty intense game, so you're playing with each other's toes. Nice. So yeah, went to work. Andy stayed home. You saw that. Lots of loud noises. I came home, got a haircut. We had some In-N-Out for dinner. That's not a secret. And I I did a bunch of Destiny gameplay. Well, not a bunch. It was just a really long Let's Play because it was one mission, or I guess raid, or strike, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, that's all for tonight, everybody. Secret message of the day is, yay, Elgatos are awesome. The Elgato is the game capture device for the game channel I use. Or you can just say the cat, because that's what it means in Spanish. Alright, everyone. Well, say goodnight to the Elgato. Good night, Elgato. See you later, Zeus. And we'll see you guys on the internet.